All right, let's look at the homework 6.3, problem number 3. All right, so let's use Trapezoidal Rule and Simpsons Rule to approximate this definite integral. All right, so I'm going to bring out a the GeoGebra here. All right, so in this case, delta x is going to be, so length of the interval is 4, and we divide it by 4, so delta x is going to be 1. All right. And here, so I'm going to define a function. F of x is colon equal to 7 divided by x squared plus 1. Hit enter. All right, so we have the integrand, so that's f. All right, so trapezoid rule, so you start with 1/2. And then delta x is, so I'm going to put the delta x too, so it's going to be multiplied by 1, which doesn't really do anything. All right, so trapezoidal rule, so you have f of something, and 2 times f of something, plus 2 times f of something, plus 2 times f of something, plus f of something here. All right, you're going to start with 0, and ends with 4. And delta x is 1, so you add 1 to it, so 0, 1, and next one's 2, next one's 3, next one's 4. Right? If you hit enter, I get that value. We want the decimal, let's see, we want 3 decimal places. So I'm going to go to object, so I'm going to right click on this and go to object property, right? Then go to algebra, right? And uncheck the symbolic, so that we can get the decimal representation there. All right, then next thing is we want the 3 decimal places, so we go to rounding, option rounding, and the 3 decimal places. All right, so we got this 9.306. All right, I'm gonna put the 9.306. All right. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the Simpsons rule too. So it's pretty much the same, except that you have a 1/3 here, right? And times 1, which really doesn't do anything. So you have a bunch of f of x, right? But we have to make sure to put the right coefficient here, right? So it starts from 1, and next one is 4 times, next one is 2 times, next one is 4 times. And it's going to start from 1, and next one's 2, next one's 3, next one's 4, next one is 5. Actually, I messed that up. You start from 0, sorry. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. Right? Hit enter. Right? Again, right click on this, object properties, and algebra, uncheck symbolic, right? So we get the 9.004. So you have a 9.004, right? Let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back. Looks like we got this one, both of them correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.